Hello viewers, how are you? In this video I will tell you about top 10 best Nakeeb Mehfil in Pakistan. Number 10. Shahid Qadri from Okara. Number 9. Khurram Shehzad from Lahore. Number 8. Mia Babar Haruni from Lahore. Number 7. Ghulam Ghaus from Lahore. Number 6. Sayyid Akram Shah Gilani from Muridke. Number 5. Abid Hussain Khayal from Lahore. Number 4. Dr. Khizrabad Khichi from Chinniyot. Number 3. Iftihar Ahmed Razvi from Shahkot. Number 2. Qari Yunus Qadri from Lahore. Number 1. Tasleem Ahmed Sabri from Karachi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Truth of the World.